Do we have people who hijack NPP now? Because we're one of the complaints. Well, you've been in and out of this party consistently over the years. Do you feel xenophobia hijack NPP?
Ebiane said make a super delegate, yes. 2014, many nina kobi. You who said your coy. 2023, many nina so ako. You who said your coy. Yina, yes, the top echelon. Moyes anwa, a disunity neighbor. Meanwhile, no, and young Mosso na move be determined the flag bearer. Till I make us a no polling station for electoral area coordinators for our more numbers, almost 200,000. Almost 80 yaw. Adena mumia, ye na, I was here to aba. Then I issue the friend 5-5. So Bekaya 5-5. They were polling station, we have 5 executives. And then a buyer. And you went in and said, ya expand the way. Na ye de less than 1,000. Baby ye the determination point for the flag bearership. Then ye Kratane kutin team ye no. Infasubia eniso.
But is the NPP hijacked by individuals be unscrupulous?
Of course, your oppositions into Oko National Council, all the 16 regional chairmen, all me members of National Council.
Okay.
National Council knows also know the second highest decision-making body of the party for policy decisions. National Council.
Dr. Makoban said the toothless bulldog. As at now, you use the word rascals. Maybe you not use that word, but Omona Obliviums or Massey Party, they are not talking.
National Council, and yeah, Oba Ashanti region. National Council, Ashanti region, there were 6 representatives. That was National Council. All the other regions, no, so there's a formula.
Yeah,
there's a formula. Yeah, the former National Council, national officers in the so account. Past president, past vice president, current president, current vice president, omunina members of the National Council. And see, a honor was a you who say. Ye could take a decision. Ye will serve the interests of the general party members.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Anya sadia na ikuki to be say ye de ya boy trimpo say tembia pese ye decision no efa benkum ana efa nifa. What about the rest?
The NPP
Obi Beka say well the constitution is say constitution is say but Kofi constitution was made for man, but not man for the constitution. Inti emra ye ka say nke nipa delegates will be anto 5-5 no almost there be also be ato 1 no na sa na constitution ade a wo bekwa akoya identity mu be ba de after all a constitution inti yes assistant na say na the constitution is made for man but not man for the constitution we be say man for the constitution there na obi o na onim say sa de na benefit bia emre no onya so mfaso obeye breguo dia ene pam no twa no me so so ene me come baby inti me de mekanie party no mre ya ba be gina no no ameka chiru me ntokwa na epeja ne ntoka keto.
Oh really?
Oh Kofi Mamenka.
You see a lot coming.
Yes, I mean, see who enti ameka say Alanchremanti
FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Ma obia nwene say oye nipa baako ewoni nsunsanso
more people
me minya ya enka emanesa enka yenyina no yenkasa na yen.
But church said there are hundreds and hundreds of people are
yes
the same pain Alan but they are silent.
Well yes ewo musa
why is silent now?
Me silent
with your pain kasa.
Well with my pain me persevere. I believe in perseverance, patience and endurance.
And to endure NPP for now, considering the
yes, because
are you enduring the party?
Me party no.
Yes, so can
indicate.
But
party no so me nam party no so. Enya nmunyam e
o maybe ene wo mukroti ye tete pa but o me maninti Una ya bono kra no aka no atu. Is that what is going on?
No, not to that extent.
Okay.
Say example now with the
Yeah.
man. Nanso the agura ye di nyina no. Ye fairness, ye equity.
Are you having fairness? E will race yi mu nyina.
Into I can be busy. I shan't reach out into another hotel.
So the process has not been fair.
I mean, it was needless. Needless.
And national obi anka ho hwe nso.
Oh yeah, you're presenting all these things. The man.
Mo de call no mama mo response.
The same thing. November 4th, there shall be no campaign. November 4th, you say mobia enye campaign. Na no the campaign to me maso nze enam say numbers no edoso. Enu nti wo kwa campaign ho na wako wonko campaign. Okay. Constituency bia e bia delegates ebeto abane e be 1000. Nti 1000 no.
Oko campo do say
na wo kwa campo na do say na wonti bien campo.
Conspiracy theories e be nyina say achim na nado danko akofo ado mo hijack NPP.
Na and
the party has been centered around them.
Senti na meka asema be gina bibi so say e say gina bia party ni gina no. Kofi obi biara obi bu na ni egu so say bibia e kototi no.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Entesa emre imu ni
all is not well within NPP.
Emre imu ne wosi ehia ahobrase.
All is not well within NPP this year.
But one other example. Party in still position after 2008.
Yeah.
Yeah, be MP 2009 to 2016. Yanko back to Parliament from 2017. Most of MPs no, at that time, no, yeah, na financing the party. 2009, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, up to 2016. That 8 years near opposition.
I see.
Yeah, na financing party no.
More MPs
no near financing party no pa.
Wow.
Oba Ashanti regional conferences. Yet yen salaries. Programs be a special contributions near the aye. Nanso ye ba ban ni mu no. Wo mo want ntimi anko back to parliament no. Dodo na enya position bia o in this government. So including my good self. BTC Grace Adumo nyina. Any
yes, Obuasi
mo nyina. Joe Apia Ablekumanov. Nto mo nyina no yaudie e wo ho. Biso mo nim say in opposition 8 years sacrifices omo ye nyina no na se aba ban mu a na se wo mo anya bibia not even board members
Addai.
Well